Which is the best essential oil to stimulate hair growth? Cedarwood essential oil is thought to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss by balancing the oil-producing glands in the scalp. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can treat different conditions that may contribute to dandruff or hair loss. Included in a mixture with lavender and rosemary, cedarwood extract was also found to reduce hair loss in those with alopecia areata. How to use cedarwood essential oil for hair growth. Mix a few drops of cedarwood essential oil with 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil of your choice. Massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it out. It may be hard to find in grocery stores, but you might be able to purchase it from smaller health food stores. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.